It was just another mundane day in the bustling city of New York in the 1960s. A group of office secretaries, clad in their pencil skirts and beehive hairstyles, patiently waited for the elevator to down to grab lunch.
Come on ladies, get in, there's pie for dessert today. Hopefully it hasn't run out, or I'll have to just die.
When suddenly, the elevator jerked to a stop.
Oh my god, what's going on?
I think we're stuck. Call the fire department or the police.
No need to worry girls, this happens all the time. Let me just push the button and we will be on our way.
Damn it, that isn't working, Susan.
As the secretaries tried to figure out their next move, while smoking their cigarettes, they started hearing something strange happening outside the elevator.
Do you hear that noise of people screaming and yelling? What's happening out there?
But before anyone could answer, the lights in the elevator flickered and a strange humming noise filled the air. Suddenly, the elevator doors opened to reveal a sight none of them could have ever imagined.
OMG, the doors opened up.
Aliens were descending upon the city, wreaking havoc in their wake.
Dear God, we need to get out of here, now. These ships are destroying the city.
But before they could make their escape, from the top floor Susan slipped on a rock that was in the middle of floor and fell to her death.
Help me in slipping. I don't want to die.
As they huddled together in fear, the secretaries tried to remain calm and collected, knowing that they would have to rely on each other to survive the impending alien invasion.
Susan was so sweet, I can't believe she's died. We need to get out of here. Let's take the stairs.
They made an exit plan to take the stairs. Even though it was a very dangerous and risky move, it was the best way to escape the alien invasion. And as they waited for rescue at the lobby, the secretaries realized that in times of crisis, they were more than just office workers. They were a team, ready to face whatever challenges came their way.